Why power factor is important. Welcome to this presentation on why power factor is important. Today, we'll explore why power factor plays a crucial role in efficiency, cost savings, and sustainability in electrical systems. Introduction. Power factor is essential for efficient power systems. A low power factor increases the current required to deliver real power, which leads to higher energy losses, voltage drops, and additional operational costs. On the other hand, a high power factor ensures that more of the supplied power is effectively used, improving performance and reducing strain on equipment. Increases energy efficiency. A high power factor improves energy efficiency because more of the supplied electricity is converted into useful work. This minimizes wastage in the form of reactive power, making the system more effective. Reduces energy costs. Utilities often penalize customers for maintaining a low power factor. By improving power factor, organizations can avoid these penalties and enjoy significant savings on their electricity bills. Decreases system losses. Lower current flow reduces heating in conductors, transformers, and other equipment. This decreases energy losses and increases the lifespan of electrical components. Improves voltage quality. A better power factor also improves voltage stability. By reducing voltage drops across electrical components, connected equipment receives a steady supply, ensuring reliable performance. Increases system capacity. When power factor is high, apparent power is used more effectively. This allows the same infrastructure to handle more useful loads without the risk of overloading. Minimizes equipment wear and tear. Reduced current and heat stress mean less wear and tear on motors, cables, and generators. This extends their service life and reduces maintenance costs. Lowers environmental impact. Finally, an improved power factor reduces the amount of power that needs to be generated. This lowers fuel consumption, cuts greenhouse gas emissions, and supports a cleaner environment. In conclusion, maintaining a high power factor is vital for efficiency, cost savings, reliable performance, and sustainability. By investing in power factor improvement, both businesses and the environment benefit.